This is just going to be a quick little video to show how we're going to connect the AR3000 laser to TeraTerm. And here you can see when we turn TeraTerm on, it's going to pull up, you're going to collect a serial port, and typically you're going to have your serial port called out. I'm using a little serial to USB converter, so I've called out the serial port, and we get a screen of TeraTerm, and as you can see, nothing's happening. Let me just enlarge this a little bit so you can see what we're doing here. So here's TeraTerm. You're going to go into Setup, go into Serial Port. This is our correct COM3. We're going to change the baud rate to 115.2 for the AR3000, 8-bit, parity none, 1-bit stop, flow control none. We're going to hit OK. Still, you're not going to see anything happen. I like to go into the font, and I like to create a little bit larger font size just to make it easier for you to see. We're going to put in 20. And so now typically we're connected, and I would type in as an example PA, hit enter, and here you can see it's pulling up the setup of the laser. So now we know we're talking to the laser. We're actually seeing the settings. If you wanted to, you could hit PR, which resets the laser, right? So here we've reset the laser. I typically type in ASDT, Abel Sam David Tom. I hit enter, and you can see it. And what that does is it's an auto start distance tracking. And then when I type in DT, we're up and running, and the sensor is measuring in meters, working well, talking to TeraTerm. And if you hit the escape, of course, you can stop it. And then to start it again, DT. So just a real quick way showing how TeraTerm makes it easy to validate that you have a serial connection with the laser sensor.